My friend has a hot rod, happens to be a 69 Chevy. I happen to have one of those. He's driving his, been driving it for a while. I don't know if I'll ever get to drive mine, but I'd like to show you his. This is a 69 Chevy, and it is really cool because it is, a lot of the paint on it is original. Not even really, like some of it was, you know, fixed up to look a little better, but a lot of it is just the way she was. And it is seriously cool. But the really cool thing that I like about this truck is it is definitely old school. And it just so happens to have a big block shoved under the hood now. It was brought in because it's got a Holley Sniper 2 on it, and it's having some running issues. Got it running. I don't know if it was the Holley Sniper problem, even though there is some problems with that. A couple ignition wires we had issues with, and the fuel is just rotten. So she is running, and I'll just fire it up here. I'm sure we're gonna have to do a little tuning and stuff on it. The interior is just beautiful in this thing. Nicely done, very tasteful. Gotta love a big block with a cam in it. It doesn't sound very cammy right now. It's not warmed up, but I just had to share. And one day maybe we'll go out when I get my truck done and we'll do some burnouts. That'd be fun. Burnout competition. See whose tires blow up first. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Is that a thing? Should we do like nasty burnout competitions? I am very grateful that my buddy let me work on his old 69 Chevy. But I am even more grateful that you guys took the time to watch this video and check this old truck out. And I really appreciate that you're helping me keep this channel alive, so please like, share, and subscribe.